Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today's iPhone day, so I thought, why not do an iPhone video today? So we're going to walk through how to switch 5G on or off on your iPhone. And it is really quite simple. You need to go to Settings. From Settings, within the top panel, the networking or connectivity one, you select mobile data, and within mobile data, one of the second option, one of the top ones, is mobile data options. Now, if you tap on that, you'll have three main selections. One is for data roaming, and the second one is for voice and data. And if you select that, you can have three options: 5G on, 5G auto, which will switch to 5G when needed and when the signal is strong enough, or 4G. So on, auto, or 4G. If you want to switch 5G off, just select 4G, and that way you'll be stuck on 4G. It won't use more battery power to try and search for 5G, but in some situations you'll be using more battery power to make data transfers. So I leave 5G on auto, but if you want to switch 5G off, select 4G, or if you want 5G on all the time, which will drain your battery faster, select 5G on. I'll just leave it at 5G auto. Anyway, just to go over that again, quick walkthrough again. From your settings screen, select mobile data options, voice and data, and then you have your three selections there. So that was a quick how to switch 5G on or off on your iPhone. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. This is a video from Tech Travel Geeks. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better, including cases for the iPhone like this Pitica one. So if you'd like to see more of our content, please do subscribe. If you have any questions about this video or anything else you'd like to ask us, leave it in as a comment in the section below. If we can't get back to you in a comment, we might even include our answer in a future video. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.